friends, and welcome to the Blue Row House channel. My name is Karina, and I am the owner of this Blue Row House. And in today's video, we are going to watch part two of the beauty room makeover slash transformation. I didn't want to make the video that long, so I have to have it in three parts. And I want to tell you that I truly appreciate you watching the video, scrolling the video, not leaving a comment or leaving a comment. It's okay. It's part of this journey of reorganizing, decorating this little blue row house. And I just want to let you know that filming these videos, I am not a professional filmmaker, but filming and recording this content gives me joy. Yes, joy of documenting, the before and the afters in this little blue row house. As a scrapbooker too, I take pictures and I scrapbook. So this is my digital scrapbook of this little blue row house. So, and if you are interested in watching this type of content, hit the subscribe button because there's going to be more and more content. This little blue row house has so much work to do. And yeah, enough of the yapping, and let's go ahead and watch part two of the beauty room transformation. So, making progress. So, here's another lipstick, and these are all my lip liners and eyeliners. This is old. Yeah, this is old. It should expire old. And these are all my eyeliners, brow pencils. Yeah, so I'm doing good. So let's take a look. Yeah, these are my eyeliners. These are all the things that I use, on a regular basis. So have them handy. And then makeup is good. It's getting a little bit of bare. And now down here. Okay, so now let's view these. I had like a hush-push of a lot of things, so maybe I should start with the smaller one. And this is all my face masks, sleeping masks, things that I have bought at Temu. And of course, now with the tariff prices going up, who knows if I will be able to buy these. So, and these are, sleeping patches. I need these. I'm gonna probably keep these handy. And then here are collagen strips, more wrinkle stuff, And then what else I have here? Oh, my lens wipes. I should probably put it somewhere. Oh, hangover patch. This should go downstairs. And then what else I have here? Oh, motion sickness. That was when, before I started practicing yoga, I used to suffer from motion sickness. Not anymore. I guess my internal ear is being balanced. So definitely this is going to go into another part. And then, so this is done. And now, what else I have here? Oh, this is where all my nail polishes are. I did a big purge of nail polishes in, I want to say again, last spring. It's when I do all my stuff. So keeping these. Oh, this is Brow Drama. What is this? Oh, Sculpting Brow Mascara. So I should keep that. Alrighty. Back to the nail situation, nail polish situation here. All right, these are all the nail polishes. I bought this one and I didn't like it, so definitely it's gonna go into this pile. This is where all my donation piles. Maybe I should. Okay, this is travel. This is good. Donation. And let's see. Setting spray, donation. I got these for, this is for summer, so I should keep it. And then nail polishes, my goodness. This is my favorite one to wear during, but I think they're getting old. I love this brand because they insta dry, so you don't have to wait forever. And then I have two of the same. Oh no, they're different. So this is the one that I'm currently using and love it, love it, love it. Definitely keeping this here. Also this one, this is for Halloween. This OPI, definitely going to keep only this one. I love this color too. Getting here more light. Yeah, so I can get more light, get a better filming, right? Good. So love this one too. Keeping that one. Red for Valentine's. Halloween. So definitely these are a keepers. And then these other ones on the bottom, no, these are cheap. I love this one. This one is really old, so I'm not keeping that. These are my summer. That one for the holidays. No. Yes, no. Yeah, and the metal one. So I'm doing good. You see, I purchased a lot last year. Oh, I have still more here. I love this one. There's so much construction in my neighborhood, so if you hear that, it's because something is coming up, and I'm gonna see what's going on. Okay, back to the video. So these are my nail polishes, which are good. I'm using them. Oh, this is the oil that I use. And here's a nail that I'm probably put it somewhere. So these are good. And then, oh, these are travel. Oh, these are my pencil sharpeners. I probably should put these over here. Oh, this cream. This should go in my... This cream is like so good. I mean, I almost have nothing, but this Jeffree Star. This is like witchcraft. It's such a good quality. And then Tatcha. Yeah. So that's travel. And then, oh, Snail. These are face masks. These are travel stuff, so it should go there. The sunscreen for summer, so they should be here. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, so they should go here. Oh, this is a to remove the makeup and why I haven't used it. And then, does it expire? Expired May 12th of 2022. So it should not be here. And then I have these two nail dryers that I probably should keep only one. This one. And I'm not going to put it in here. So, oh, I have still another thing here. Oh, more color correctors. I love these. I have tried so many color correctors from all brands. And believe it or not, this inexpensive brand is the best color corrector. These are my sleeping patches that I'm keeping handy. Oh, this is another beauty stuff. Advil. Expire 2026, so it should go inside. Oh, and then these are the magnesium creams that I'm using for at night. And yeah, so I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Then this last one I have here again, travel stuff. Elephant. How old are these creams? Yeah, this is good. What about this one? Oh, they have nothing, so this is definitely garbage. Oh, these are for oils. Got like that. That. And then here on the bottom, oh, I had more. These are pump thing. Definitely donate that. What is in here? Yeah, donate. And then yeah, this is lipsticks. So I'm gonna leave them around here somewhere. Okay. So good. So I have, no, it doesn't fit. I have an empty tray here. So this is how this shelf looks like. Super good, right? I'm gonna lower it down a little bit. Got all my stuff, my nail stuff, production. I already cleaned these. And then these drawers. My goodness. I have so much junk over there that I need to definitely get rid of. Do something about it. But definitely this is going to be another video because I have to go through a lot of things. So anyways, if you have watched my entire video, thank you very much. And let's continue this organizational video, kind of wall paper transformation. So thanks again for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.